We finally have the Spring/Summer 21 Week 2 list for Supreme. It is out. Today I'm going to go over all the items that you're going to guilt buy after 15-year-old little Timmy who rented Mech for the first time ate up all your SB Dunk stock. I feel like I'm chosen. I'm covered in gold. Alright guys, welcome back to the show. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet, please like, subscribe down below. We have Discords below. Everything, all the links below are to reputable things, but nobody cares about Discords here, do they? No! What they care about is Supreme. All of the lights! Our Savior Drops by Jay posted a picture of what all the items that will be coming out for week 2 are. Honestly, go get the dunks. There, you did it. You can probably, don't leave, stay. I'll do more for you here, but that's pretty much what you're doing this week. So first off, we have a set of these corduroy 6 panels that are coming out. I think these are actually decent hats. I'm not a fan of the back clasp that they use. Again, I would just say if you're gonna get hats, go black. Sorry, I don't have the names of them because I'm an idiot and I didn't do that. But this one's okay too. It's a 6 panel as well. This is a better fit. I like the way that these particular hats fit better. They have obviously the carpeted material on the letters, so it's like a varsity letter jacket hat that says Supreme. I like that the beige one has the different colored letters, but I just am not into the beige. To be fair, like the purple hat kind of looks good. I like the letters. It sticks out nice. I actually like these hats okay. They're definitely very loud, but I think there's something a little different. Okay, I do like these. It's like, I think it was called the skeleton or the bones, something like that. 5 panel. Again, personally, probably this purple one or this black one. Again, if you're doing stuff for resale, just black is always the way to go. Okay, so this long sleeve tee is coming out. It literally is a t-shirt with long sleeves sewn into the sleeves. I'm sure they're going to be a premium price, though. That's the only problem. They're going to be like $70 to $90. So I just don't see that being worth your while, to be honest with you. Okay, now we have some of these double knee jeans. Again, Jacob is going to go bananas over the double knee jeans. I don't know why they just don't do a Carhartt collaboration and just get it over with, you know what I mean? But yeah, these are fine. This little hooded sweatshirt with the little worm that doesn't care if you care. Well, you know what? I don't care if he cares. I don't care if you care if I care about him caring. I don't care if you care if I care about him caring or not caring.
Don't care.
I need you guys to write me an essay on if that means anything at all, because I'm not really sure.
Still don't care.
And here we go with another one. The Iggy Pop Puffy Jacket will be releasing this week. This one will probably do well. I bet you there's far more Iggy Pop fans than there will be this jacket. So stuff like this always kind of slowly does well. These are sort of good hold items if you have the capital to throw into it. Pieces like these can do really well. Some of them do horribly bad, but that's the risk when you buy something like this. But at the end of the day, like, you basically can make your money back on almost anything that you buy off of Supreme. So these are the shirts that go along with those double knee pants. Also probably not worth buying from Supreme. I'm sure you can go to like American Eagle and get some real nice ones there. Maybe those Abercrombie guys got a couple of these for you. Alright, and then the final item that is not on Supreme Community. I actually really like this one. I don't know. I'm really torn because it's going to be it's a premium tee, so it could be between $60 and $90. I don't think that graphic is... most likely it's just printed on, so that might make it not as expensive, but it's still going to be in the $60 to $70 something range.
Nice.
But I think it's cool that they're doing something that doesn't really blast Supreme out. You know, there's only so many things you can do with that, you know what I mean? So I'm glad when they do some new stuff. Now let's go over to the Supreme Community and check out what they have there. The most downvoted item on Supreme Community right now is this brushed checkerboard cardigan.
Yeah, boy.
I mean, it's actually not a bad cardigan, to be honest with you. These things tend to do okay. If you take an L or a W on those SB Dunks, this would be something to get for the personal. Sometimes they do kind of flip for some decent profit though, but at the end of the day, this is really probably just more of a personal for you. This pink one right here, you know Jacob is all about this pink one. You guys save that one for him, let him get that one. The next one is this Polar Tech lined sideline parka. So, you know, if you're coach of any football team out there and you need to get on the sideline, this seems to be the parka that you should do it with.
Okay.
I will wait to get into all the dunks at the end. We'll just go through them. So we'll take a look at this loose gauged beanie. This is sort of your basic Supreme loose gauged beanie. If you're needing this for like free shipping or something like that, you should go with a black one. All right, now we have this big logo hooded sweatshirt. I actually don't hate this one too much. It's not a bad one. This color is nice, the blue. These are a little bit risky, but at the end of the day, it's got a pretty big tag on it, and I could definitely see these making a little bit of money no matter what. If you get them in good sizes, don't go mediums. And yes, we are finally going to see the lighter. It was supposed to show up last week, but now it's here. It's just a little late. It needed to catch up. This is another one of those items where if you can get it into a cart and it allows you to get some free shipping, it's great. I believe it's very similar, if not the exact same, to one of the original Zippos that they did. This is definitely one of those items that's worth maybe guilt buying if you didn't get the SB Dunks for sure. And the second best item on the list today is this Supreme Rawlings Chrome Maplewood Bat. So let's take a look. It's a 34-inch bat. It is maple, and then they chrome the maple bat, and then they etch into the maple bat with a laser, and then they fill in the etching with, I'm not sure exactly what, but something to make it white.
That's not racist! Yes, it is!
It's pretty cool looking no matter what. I'm pretty sure it's going to be kind of expensive, so I'm not really 100% sure if I'm interested in it. I'll need to see retail on it. If it's under $100, I think it's a 100% go for it. It's a 34-inch bat, so it's a pretty good sized bat. These will be items that people will want, and I'm pretty sure these will resell for okay amount. It'll just literally depend on what the original retail of these is. I'm steal his picture from Mr. Drops by Jay. Go follow his Instagram and his Twitter and all that stuff, and join his Discord. It's below J Premium. You get all the information before anybody else. But I'm stealing his picture right now, so I think I just bought it. On Supreme Community, if you remember, the green one was the lowest, was the most downvoted of the dunks, downvoted of something that is going to be gone in 5 seconds. But the green one is the most downvoted of all the dunks, followed by the brown, which actually I kind of like the brown one. It looks a little more burgundy red, maybe, but maybe in person it is actually brown. Then the blue one, and then the black one is the most sought after. So that's the resale value is going to be very similar to that. So the black one will be the most sought after, then the blue, then the brown, then the green. So sometimes because people know that the green one is going to be the least wanted colorway, they will go after that one first because thinking that they will have the best chance to either manual that one or using a bot like Swift Soul or Cardinal. I've always felt like the best thing to do, even like in box logo week or anything like that, is go for the neutral colorway like the blacks or the grays. In this case, the black one is the most important one. But if you go for like the brown and the blue, you might have the best chance of copying. The SB Dunks are probably the hottest item of the month in all of streetwear. I'm really not a big fan of that green one. It kind of looks like they might have taken that turtle from the t-shirt, skinned him up, and made some shoes out of him. Not very nice thing to do, but those turtles were getting old. Let's just be honest with you. They weren't fighting crime anymore. Shredder's probably long gone. Let's make shoes out of them. The blue one, too. That might have been left over from the Smurf collab last year. I did make a video on how to cop the Supreme Dunks. I'll put it right up here. Look up here right now. There it is. Check that out if you're really serious about wanting to cop these dunks. Sadly, I did not get a spot in store this week. They always want to do me dirty over there. I'm sure when they do those Thundercat sock collab or some nonsense, I'll definitely get a spot then, but anytime we got some SB Dunks in store, no thanks. Don't they know what a great video titles SB Dunks in hand would have been on Friday? For real though, James Jebby, I love you. You're my favorite. Please text me and give me a spot in line.
Who are you?
That is the list. That's what's happening on week 2 of Supreme. It's either get the Supreme Dunks and celebrate, pop the champagne, have a really fine brunch, or take the L, go back to your bed, cry into your pillow, and fall back asleep. That's kind of what I think this week 2 is all about. And that's about all I got today. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
I feel like I'm chosen.